What is Newsfeed algorithm? It is an artificial intelligence powered algorithm that runs in the background to decide what posts to appear in your newsfeed. Your newsfeed is not a real-time feed. It's not the latest post that appear first. It is a curated feed. So newsfeed algorithm consists of 100,000 factors, takes into consideration of your past activities, your past engagements, and your browsing pattern, etc., to decide which posts that you might be interested in. Let's take a look from the business standpoint. Now, if I like your Facebook page today, for the first few days to the first few weeks, most of the posts that you post in your page are more likely to appear in my newsfeed. However, if I do not take any action on the posts that appear in my newsfeed, eventually Facebook will deem me as uninterested fans. So over time, I will see less and less from you. So if you want to plan a content strategy for your Facebook page, which is really important to pair it with your Facebook advertising strategy, you must actually build surrounding on one key factor, which is engagement. Because this engagement is going to help you increase your organic reach over time. So your content must be exciting to your fans. It must bring value so that it will actually trigger engagement.